does. This rap movement represents Bafethi. We are chat Abajabule Abantu about to talk about Sgemegeme too. So it is. The introduction singing as of Manjinga Sector. Check the music out to YouTube and also other media sites, but most especially YouTube. So it is a boy channel like busy like Ufanda, but I always got my media on production. So it is. Shout out to Abajabule Abantu here. So go inside.
Away.
Yo, it's a boy, Jalom Psych, East Rap Movement represents Bafethi. David Ton, 1520, so what it is. Rolling Sgemegeme too, find out from our chair, it's Abajabule Abantu. Shout out to the legendary from Bafethi.
Okay, Mr. Psyche. So, Mr. Psyche, lapha kuSgemegeme my king. Uthi-ke usebenza nabo bani kanjani? What's happening? What's cooking there, my king?
Okay, Sgemegeme 2 it's a continuation from Sgemegeme 1. Painting ithombe ezasikasi which I've heard from Abantu and some that I've experienced now. On the production, I have the legendary Batin, who's also helping me out with everything that has to do with the recording and mastering of the EP. No features basically from Abantu, like our big names and stuff, but I have Abakita, which I really love their work. I have the legendary Yuri Marathon on the tape and a song called I Am Not Done, which is more of a tribute to him. I just feel like but I want to make the Sibayans and the reason why they are still alive. So I want to show you tribute to the amazing marathon.
Okay, it's like man. So the release of the track, my man, when is gonna be the release so that people can know when am I done?
The first single that I'm busy with the introduction from the Sgemegeme 2. We are planning to release it by the month of May on my birthday. Planning to shoot a music video for with the help again from Abajabule Abantu. The song, it's more of like into politics or concept or my consciousness, but it's more like please listen to what I have to say and you can judge further enough for yourself after that.
Okay, Mr. Syke, so how many tracks there in the album Sgemegeme, my lord?
Yeah, as obvious Bafethi, I have 7 songs, it's a 7-track EP, produced by me no busy. Most of the production busy because if it wasn't for him, so sometimes there's off key with a certain instrumental but we have a legend like Gena who's over crack. Your stuff is gonna sound proper. So it's a 7-track EP. Gangster but love songs, I have lyrical I can rap. I have some quiet stuff out there, you can get everything, man. But storylines really, the most important thing with all those 7 songs, about certain things that
it's cool, my king. So, hey, track so the music video, my man, hey, you killed it there. What's Panano Wanda, my man?
Me was Panano Postena, Udala is saxophone on the song, and he also helped through the creation of the beat. Upizil, he is the one who did the shoots and also editing of the music video. And thanks to everyone who's loving the song, and salute to everyone our supporter.
We give thanks, my king. So the plans for the future about the track when I'm making Utige, what's the plan for the future for the track?
Showcase. I'm hoping to ungena enhlizweni zabantu with this music that I'm doing all the time, not only just for Jalom side but also to help the other generation people. So with the song, the introduction, it's basically also a motivational song, and also I want to know what are they actually doing in billions that they can be cool or good, because we need to succeed either way, whether we can complain the system or we can Civic scene, just work like everybody else. That's what it is. I'm hoping to reach such minds. I'm hoping to see everyone can hear this music of Humayo from your psych and have a motivation to do better for the future. And also, I will say, if only Ucha can bless me with that path, so that I can reach Abantu as many as possible.
Okay, my king. So in terms of social media, my lord, bakuthola kanjani abantu there on social media?
You can find me on Facebook, #1 obviously, as a boy Jalom Psych. I'm on Twitter @jpsych and Instagram jalom_psych. That's what it is.
That's what's up, bafethu. Jalom Psych in the house at Abajabule Abantu bafethu. The rest shall follow as well nakuye. Agwan.
Check it. Hey yo, what's up, press niggas? When I press and compress triggers, oppress niggas till they are stress and confess, nigga. I'm that nigga, too high like no figure, man. I can't chica, even if they the way seeker, my demeanor, but carry some mess like Argentina. How I do it well with this flow, like I was in my diva seminar. Hating us blacks, but my leader. The only thing I see fully round, give me cylinder, no stress, man. I'm a leader, yeah, for horsemen. The core of them in their hearts and soul and plan while I stay sharp up as I fully see death. Or maybe it's over a kaya when manager crack. I mean this life is check my nigga, the time is never shine the like the people who love spices. Define psyches, skeleton hate by lightning. But besides dying came back and started writing. That's what it is. Some boy Jalom Psych Sgemegeme 2 coming real soon. Shout out to Abajabule Abantu. That's what it is.